Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Ngiphethe Mr. Mlambo 5-0 win to Orlando Pirates ntanga khuluma na.
Mfethu mina kutshelile in 2 minutes igame iqeda ukuqala ngathi man of the match yamurile. Really ntanga for me I think he was the main man in this game uyangithola. The boy is maturing. He hasn't matured enough but uyeza ntanga you can see.
Do you think he still needs to mature?
Ntanga he can go to greater heights. You know why? Because he has a lot of potential. He's intelligent player but today like ntanga he was spot on. Okay, mase kuyopela igame sekayehlile kancane because of ukhathele but the boys ntanga were on fire. From the first minute of the game we were on top of them.
Can you talk about talent of Fani as well ntanga? Because for me now he was contending really, especially in the first half. Thoughts on his performance?
I think for me like almost yonke team idlale ekrene because like even Noma Cindy naye mekamcomplimenta, even like you'll find Urile naye mekaba complimenta each and everyone who was playing today was showing ukuthi like uzodlala today.
We are going to win.
And then apart from Rele and Bata, another standout. Don't guys see standout ntanga.
Masindi mfethu. Mina was saying okay I need to cash vandag but I think uMasindi made izinto simple ntanga. Football simple make win ibhola one touch aphume. He was always in the right spaces. Usibizi when ibhola maliqala ntanga make evulela ibhola it was marvelous to see because he was showing ukuthi okay nami like I want to prove like ngibonise like ukuthi I'm part of the team and I'm a leader and the team ntanga played so well today.
So do you think this is our strongest 11? Because when we started, Ghost said Pagania is denying a side.
We must not, just because we won.
Yeah.
To be honest, like you ask yourself why Umbutumo always in the starting lineup. He's a striker. We win by 6 goals, he doesn't score. We win by 5 goals, he doesn't score. And then if you go back to the middle field, this chop and change of midfielders, why Mbate is always being replaced? It's a question.
Question in here, do you think this is our strongest possible 11?
Not really.
When you reckon or Mutuma must come out and who else as well?
Nematajala.
Nemtajela.
Nemtajela as well. He's not supposed to be in the starting lineup.
But today he had a decent game.
Yeah, because he is being forced to be in the starting lineup.
No,
Yeah,
day by day,
that's what we want,
yes,
Pagania. We want him to
already
improve.
players.
Yeah.
Yes, Pagania, I think the boys played so well. Mina wasn't mengayivumeli ukuthi uNomtatshela uqalile but he proved himself today ukuthi like I deserve to start, you understand. Credit to H2 ntangamele simgayona. Umbuthuma didn't score. People do not see. Yes, Umbuthuma unamaphutha. People are going to say Mbuthuma this, Mbuthuma that. But Mbuthuma gives us present. I think the first goal lapho uRila khele khona. You remember ukuthi ibhola liqale kuMbuthuma. Mbuthuma took the ball to the side to Muremi. Umuremi wabuyisela ibhola kuRila. We must not forget those small details in the game lama players senzela yona. The times winner 6-0. Mbuthuma played so well also. The thing ukuthi didn't score. Football is not about ukuthi striker mascorile, maswinile thina school because any sponsor kushayile. I think mina today ntanga the first 11 if singaqhubeka kanje we can start with them.
No, that's there you have it, no Pagania. That's Mr. Mlambo Wopa.